Roughly half of all Americans earning six figures a year report living paycheck to paycheck, with essentially nothing left over after the bills are paid. Engineers, accountants, and teachers outrank doctors and executives as the most common job titles in a survey of 10,000 actual millionaires. Roughly a third of these individuals never earned a six-figure salary in a single year of their working life. A high income with high expenses and creeping lifestyle costs can produce a net worth of nearly nothing. A moderate income with low expenses and consistent investing can produce a net worth of millions. Income is what shows up on a paycheck. Net worth is the actual scoreboard. Reaching a high net worth requires 28 years of steady, unremarkable consistency, according to the data. Prioritizing the net worth scoreboard shifts wealth generation into a predictable game of time. The architecture for this entire process is built at year one. These initial decisions dictate the outcome decades later. The strategy relies on a rigid percentage, often 16% or more, rather than a flat dollar amount. Automating this percentage through employer-sponsored retirement plans ensures the money is routed into investments before it ever reaches a spendable checking account. A single decision to automate replaces the need for hundreds of repeated moments of willpower over the next 3 decades. Engineering a closed-loop system at the start removes human error, allowing financial discipline to run in the background without ongoing daily effort. This 15-year stretch, often called the messy middle, subjects the system to economic crashes and career changes. Bounded risk allows for growth while maintaining a firm baseline floor to protect against a total wipeout during market dips. Lottery tickets and single stock gambles carry unbounded risk, where a single failure permanently resets progress back to zero. As salaries increase over time, the 16% rule naturally combats lifestyle creep by scaling the savings amount proportionally. Wealth in this phase is driven by sheer survival and proportional scaling. After 20 years of consistent deposits, the timeline finally enters a phase of rapid, exponential growth. Reaching this curve requires a framework of thinking in decades. This long-term perspective prevents panic when progress feels slow during the early years. Operating with the baseline expectation of a delayed, multi-decade payoff makes the short-term struggle of any single year irrelevant. Compound interest relies on uninterrupted time, making patience a strict mathematical requirement for the process to work. The final statistical profile shows an average 49-year-old worker crossing the $1 million threshold after 28 years of consistency. The data contains no tech buyouts, no surprise inheritances, and no lottery winnings. These millionaires demonstrate a disciplined relationship with time, lacking the specialized financial genius often associated with extreme wealth. A single automated, bounded decision today starts the clock, functioning effectively on any salary level. Accumulated wealth functions as the output of a background process given exactly 28 years to run.